How to understand fees and surcharges on your dollar car rental receipts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open dollar car rental in the website. In the fee information section, you'll find all the fees listed. And the one that could be included is additional surcharge. This fee is imposed on all rentals in the state of America. And you'll also find all these fees. And another, you may find energy surcharge. It is separate and apart from the cost of fueling rental vehicle. Energy cost represents a substantial portion of dollars operating expenses. And you'll find other taxes options. And also you'll find rental contract fee. The airport requires all vehicles rental companies collect this fee. This money collected is used to pay for vehicle rental facilities. You also have early return fee applies if you did not prepay your rental charges and return the vehicle more than 24 hours early before the return time. And another is late return fee. In addition to charging additional rental days for a late return, they will charge a fee to compensate for the cost they incur in finding an alternative vehicle to satisfy their next booking for that vehicle. And this is how to understand fees and surcharges on your dollar car rental receipts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.